Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Cooper's Closet. I'm Chad. This is my man, Cooper. Got some good ones for you again tonight. We got 2 packs of 2022 Panini Absolute. And then Cooper's going to be opening up 2 packs of Pokemon Silver Tempest. See what we can get.
I want to pull a Lugia card. Try not to.
All right, everybody. All right, Cooper. Give those packs open. Let's see what we can get. Let me help you. Here we go.
No, it's not that pack.
Lay that one right there.
Yeah, because people say those packs can give you luck sometimes.
Yeah. All right. Let's see what we got. Show them what you're doing.
Oh, no. Sorry.
Show them what you're doing. Show them what you're doing.
I messed up the trick.
That's all right. Show them what you're doing, bud. All right, starting off with that yellow energy. All right, what we got here? What we got there? Ooh, that's a different looking card.
It's a evolution of Gardevoir.
Oh.
We pulled a card of
Oh,
that.
Pikachu. Getting down to the good one.
Ooh,
Oh,
unknown.
what do we get?
Unknown V card.
Unknown V card.
Right
Nice.
here.
All right, cool.
Let's put that in the corner.
Put that one over there. Let me help you.
Yeah, sure.
There we go.
I'm hitting the camera, sorry.
It's all right.
My arms are really wiggly right now because I spent 2 hours at the softball game.
Yeah, we had sister softball game, huh?
Yeah. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4.
And there you go.
Yeah, 4.
Doing the card trick. All right, stick them out there so the people can see them.
Sorry how I'm holding them.
There we go.
Sorry.
All right, go ahead. Hold them up a little bit.
Okay.
Out and up. There we go. So they can see what's going on. There we go, just like that. Alright, let's see what we can get on these.
Oh, same card as we pulled out stuff.
Alright.
Okay.
Oh, there was a shiny. What was that one you just pulled? That's a Rapidash. Nope, not that one. That's an Incineroar. The other one was a shiny Rapidash. Alright. Let's get into those football packs.
I pulled that V card.
That was a good one.
I always pull good cards for some reason.
Yeah, it was.
I don't know why.
All right, 2022 Absolute Football.
I am so old now.
Sitting in Dad's chair. Need to grow a little bit, huh?
I do. I'm only 4 feet 6.
All right, let's see what we got right off the bat here.
I think I'm 4 feet 8 right now.
Dalvin Cook.
Oh.
Tyreek Hill.
I think I have a Tyreek Hill.
DeAndre Hopkins. Aaron Rodgers for all you Green Bay fans out there. Micah Parsons with the Cowboys.
Parsons.
Same last name as us, huh?
I lost a tooth today too at school.
Yeah, you did. Lost a tooth and everything. Get to opening up some cards and lost a tooth all on the same day. Tyler Lockett. Jamar Chase. Nice card. Nice looking card. Oh, getting into the rookies. We got Sky Moore. Kyler Gordon. Kyle Hamilton. Trent McDuffie. Charleston Rambo. Ooh, here's a Tom Brady card. Cam Akers. Oh, last two. What do we got here? Can we get a Kenny Pickett? Aiden Hutchinson. And last but not least, we got a last call Travis Kelce card. All right. Got some pretty good rookies out of there, though. This boy wants to pull a Kenny Pickett card bad.
Yeah. He's a good card. It's a good card. If we pulled a Joe Burrow out of a pack, basically.
So Joe Burrow's rookie year was 2020. So these are 2022. We won't get his rookie year out of here.
I know, but if we get a 2020 pack, if we pull that Joe Burrow rookie card, that would be good.
All right. Cooper Kupp.
Why does it always start with mine?
Kirk Cousins. Look at that. I see a shiny, hollow looking card back there. I'm excited to get to that. Saquon Barkley. Jonathan Goddard. Josh Jacobs. Daniel Jones. Davis Mills. Derek Carr. Full of quarterbacks this time. Dak Prescott. All right. See, we're getting into the absolute rookies here. Cole Strange. Oh, look at this. George Pickens rookie card. Look at that. He's an up-and-comer. He's going to be tough.
Steelers.
That's a good one.
Go Steelers.
Go Steelers. That's right. Kyle Phillips. Trey McBride. Snoop Connor. What do we got behind it here? Ooh, John Mechie. That's a cool looking card.
Yeah, that is.
All right, who we got here? Oh, we got a Mac Jones.
The last couple cards.
We got a Matt Ryan.
It looks like it's going to be a shiny.
Ooh, another Desmond Ritter card, rookie card. We pulled a Desmond Ritter card last night. Oh, here's a by Storm, Chris Olave. We pulled a good Chris Olave rookie card last night, too.
We did.
Man, we're pulling him like crazy.
Yeah.
And the absolute introductions, Jamison Williams. Last one in the pack. That was a good pack.
Yeah. No. I keep pulling. Oh, no.
All right. That does it for tonight's episode, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to like and subscribe. We're going to keep getting these packs coming at you guys. Going to be doing some vintage stuff here soon. We got a lot of vintage basketball, as you can see behind us. A lot of vintage baseball. A lot of vintage football. So kind of like this 91 Bowman's pack here. You know, wax packs full of them. We're going to be opening stuff up off this. So, you know, I hope you guys enjoy the newer stuff to kind of get started. But we're going to kind of be mixing things up here soon and throwing some new stuff in there with some vintage and vice versa. So whatever you guys want to see, if you have any suggestions or anything, make sure you leave them in the comments. Other than that, me and Cooper, we're getting out of here. It's getting late. We've been at the ball fields all day. So we're going to pack it up for tonight. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll catch you next time.